Hi guys, in today's tutorial I would be sharing a few DIY jewelry ideas. Starting off with the earrings. For this, take a white polymer clay and add blue paint to it. Then mix the paint and start rolling the clay. Now make two big circles and two small circles. Make holes on all four of them and pass the jump ring through the holes. Lastly, add a hook to the earrings. For this, take 3 colored sheets and cut them into triangles. Stick them as shown. Also, make a hole to add the jump rings. Now, pass the chain through the jump ring. Lastly, add locks to the chain. For the bracelet, we will have to make a few tassels. Start by folding the thread on the paper. Once that's done, add a jump ring and trim the excess. Now, pass the pearl through the eye pin and also fold the eye pin on the bracelet chain. Lastly, attach the pearls, tassels and the locks to the bracelet chain.